Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Vicks Sinus Inhaler. This is a product that I've been using now for quite some time and I really do enjoy it. And I'm going to go over my thoughts on it, pros and cons, and actually leave a link down below if you're looking to purchase this. So let's jump right into it. This is a very nice product. It comes into 3 different items. The first one is this bottom case. The second one is the middle one, and then the third one is this piece right here. This is the breathing valve. And this one doesn't really snap in, which is interesting. I thought it would be snapping in somehow, but it just has this little piece right here and this back end area. Well, looks like this is the... Oh, man, actually, no, you know what? This is the vapor chamber here. That's interesting. So the vapor chamber is where you put the menthol. They have these VapoPads. These are menthol, eucalyptus oil, menthol, glycol, cedar leaf oil, and others. That's interesting. But you have that. And then this is a knob right here. If you want less humidity and more humidity, just kind of turn this one. And let me go ahead and show you how this kind of, this is the turn on button. So you can see right here, this is off, this is on, when you put it on there. But let's go ahead and open this so you can see. So you can see right there, we've got a menthol piece right there, which I'm gonna remove because it's very, very strong. But that little metal piece right there basically boils the water, and the water basically funnels through this and then comes out right there. In my opinion, I think that's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It says allow 6 minutes for steam. I've seen around 7 to 8 minutes for the steam to come up, but it gives you about 5 to 15 minutes per treatment. And what I mean by that is the 15 minutes is going to be when it's on low, 5 minutes is going to be on high because all that water vapor is going to come up. But this is really good if you have allergies, if you have colds, if you have nasal congestion. Highly recommend getting one of these. They're really good to have. I also have saline mist because I have pretty bad allergies, so those all help out in terms of providing fast relief so you can be able to breathe much more effectively. So with that said, comment down below if you've tried this product or any other product for sinus inhalers. Happy to review it here on the channel and get your thoughts if there's something better out there or something you enjoy or like using. And I will leave a link down below in the description if you're looking to purchase this item. It wasn't too expensive, 20-30 bucks, pretty cheap for what you get and the value you get for this. So again, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And again, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel so we create more content. And subscribe when we do post new videos. Thanks, and see you guys again soon.